Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is the Crafty Black Girl, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this DIY Valentine's vase with bear. So I'm starting out with bears here, and what I'm going to do is cut off all of the tags and pull off the purchase tags as well. I got these from Dollar Tree as well as this vase. The red shred that you see in there I ordered in bulk from Amazon. And so what I'm going to do is go ahead and hot glue the bear, and I'm going to take these bamboo skewer sticks and I'm going to stick it into the bear. And I pre-glued down these candies and the roses. I got those from Dollar Tree as well. The candies I got from Target. They were $1 for a pack of maybe about 15 candies. And the bamboo I got from Walmart. So those dollar hearts, all you're going to do is sit it right there, and then I hot glued the sides so that it would stick to the vase and it won't be falling all over the place. And then I wanted to hide that. I don't want the glue to be showing, so I went around and I went ahead and hot glued and took a thin ribbon, that pack of ribbon on my Cricut I got from Walmart. It was about $7 for that whole pack, so I took it around the edges, covered up where all the glue was, and then we're going to make a bow here. So like I was saying, that chocolate I got from Walmart for $1, and of course I bought a million of them, and I got these hearts from Dollar Tree in threes. So that was one arrangement. I took them apart because I only need one piece. This little crochet needle I got actually from Elegant Beauty Supply store, and it really came in handy to pull through that ribbon through that little hole. It worked out perfectly. So just to add a little more pizzazz to this vase and to this gift, I went ahead and added that to the front. So I looped around the ribbon, boom, bam, and tied it at the top. And I knotted it quite a few times because I didn't want it to come apart. And then I'm going to cut this off. The rest of this heart structure I'm going to glue down to the vase with the hot glue. So I only did it on the inside because of course that's the only place that it can touch the vase. And so I let it dry, and that looked so great, but it still needed something else. So I had to add a ribbon, as you will see. But first I wanted to secure the back and just make everything look seamless, make sure there's no glue anywhere. I pre-tied some bows, and I went ahead and hot glued it right over where that knot is, where I tied the heart to the vase, because we don't want to see that. So now for the wrapping, I just took some shrink wrap paper, which is really big, and I cut it in half and wrapped it, of course, and I'm using the balloon string there, the curling string, and just making it look really neat. And I'm going to tape the back. I'm just going to flap it over each other. I don't want anything to look bulky, anything to look obvious. So I'm just going to go ahead and tape it all up seamless and flat. And this is one of my items that I will be selling for Valentine's Day. Then I'm going to take the bottom and tuck it right under with a little bit of tape. And we're going to curl that ribbon, honey. I'm going to get the ribbon nice and curled along the sides, make it look really cute. And then I'm going to hand tie another bow, and that's what we're going to place at the top of this arrangement. So I'm just going to play with the bow until I get it to where I want it. I haven't quite learned yet how to get the knot the same color, because I don't know, I'm just not that great at bows, but yeah, we made it work. And then I'm going to take that tool, I'm going to tie it around first and then let it hang down to the sides, add a little more decoration, and I'm going to cut those at a slant. I don't really like blunt ends, so I cut them at a slant and put the bow right on. I actually hot glued it. Sorry guys, I didn't get up that high, but this is what it looks like all done. So as you can see, I hot glued the bow right on top, and then this is another one that I did with the pull bow. Same arrangement, same, super easy. Everything came from Dollar Tree. I hope you like this video, you guys. Give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I'll be bringing more videos very soon, just like this. Thank you all so much. Don't forget to give it a like and comment down below. Okay, bye.